Hey guys, it's me, Emma, doing another video. Not another one, but like the first one, because this is not where I usually do my videos, but yeah.
Please, where's my slime that you have? No, get off the bike.
This is my friend, Nene. We call her Nene, but her name is real name is, you ain't gotta know.
You ain't got no.
And this here is Lala. Her real name is
Eli.
And you
They
know
don't
the-
try to stalk her.
Oh. What's y'all last name again?
Don't gotta know and don't gotta know.
See, that's what their last name is. And they're over there, my sister, and I forgot her name is Cece. And her real name is, y'all don't need to know. Because look. Because look. I will. And we're gonna play with slime today.
Hold on, let me see. Okay, guys, let's set up right here so we can play with slime.
No, Lala, go for the pig.
Go. Where's our bag of slime?
Don't take my computer.
Hey, hold on, we're gonna go get the bag of slime.
Yeah, cause she threw it.
Sorry, I didn't know you were trying to make a video. Okay, we have the big bag of slime.
Well, I made it into cloud slime, so
Yeah, I had.
we need more better lighting.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
That's better.
It's purple cloud slime. Well, it's kind
Oh,
of
it was cloud slime. So we mixed a lot of perfect slime in there. Okay, I'm putting a plastic bag on my head now.
The lighting's getting worse. All right, guys. Alright, she put a towel over it. We need better lighting, Nene. Guys, we're gonna find a better lighting. We're gonna pause it right now.
Boom. Well, we got popsicles now because her mom just gave it to us. No, they're not. Why would you think that? But before we do those, move. We don't want your slime in the video. Go over there, Lala. Go with them. Cause we're trying to make a video. It's huge. It's like really
Super
pretty
look.
cloudy slime, but we have to make it sticky. So we're gonna tell you guys the steps of making it sticky. So
Why are you gonna sticky?
I will get the ingredients.
Alright,
Okay,
guys,
the
we changed our
ingredients.
names.
This is the ingredients.
So we're gonna change our names. I'm gonna call her Naya, and she's gonna call me Ems.
She got the M's. Okay, even though that's wasting perfectly good Kool-Aid, but it's gonna
Don't
make this.
tell them. They'll see things.
Okay, so it's gonna form back into cloud slime. So I'll let her mix this time,
This time.
and I'm gonna stretch it out. So see, whoa, we both can stretch it out. So it's sticky now, so
And-
we like it.
And like it's more bubbly than
I
it
had the
usually
big
is.
purple one, and then she had a small blue one, and then she added cloud stuff to it, and it make it
Fake
big.
snow.
Yeah, like the fake snow stuff. I call it cloud, and then makes it fake snow,
It's still cloud.
and it's
yeah,
the,
my mom
we made
got us
blue.
this.
Yeah, we got popsicles. What you call it? We used the blue cloud slime stuff. Yeah,
I mean, we dyed the fake snow and then we put it in here.
yeah. But it comes out easily, so that means we need to make it sticky and make it like stick in.
So I had to like make the slime hard. So like because I heard on YouTube or somewhere I remember, they said that the cloud stuff will make your stuff like very, very sticky. So I had to harden it so I could put the cloud stuff on it. So
Okay, here's another one.
no way.
Yes, good.
Get mine.
What?
You know.
What is it?
We're not gonna tell y'all the ingredients.
I only told you guys one of them. It might just sound
Okay,
like-
one of them was gel.
No, it wasn't.
I know. I'm gonna try to. Here, I'm
Okay, guys, you
siphoning.
guys can't look. Oh,
We even fight in the shower.
Hmm? Oh, ew.
no, that's what makes it sticky though. I do it all
It's
the time.
making it like stiff.
Oh, it's really not. Oh, because this type is stiff.
Yeah.
Whose is this?
Yours.
Who did this?
Because I was holding it with the popsicle and then
Who threw it at me?
I didn't mean to. I meant to throw it at the car.
I'm gonna make a beautiful sword. Hey!
I messed her stuff up. I'm gonna eat my popsicle. You guys don't need to watch me, so.
Nene.
Huh?
What's that car's name?
Why?
Because I said, why did you go to
I'm gonna try to attempt to make a huge bubble.
Hey!
Oh, Christ.
Cloud time can't make a big bubble.
I know.
Go ahead. You can eat your popsicle so they won't need to stare at you. We're using her phone, her camera, and stuff. We have to just, I can go inside and get my stand for the camera, but. Eh. We don't have any. No more.
There's no more of yours.
Do you? Do you have ice?
That makes it harder. I know that makes it harder.
Do you have it?
No. Why? But it makes it harder.
This video going onto YouTube. Toast crust.
Chloe.
My hands are small and this thing is big.
That's how you did me, like literally.
Okay, go ahead.
Or technically kind of, you know, like your. So, Naya's mom, she calls. She lets us call her like Auntie Cece. So, basically, we're like fake cousins. So yeah. Why do I only have a little bit, Naya? No. Y'all didn't see nothing. I like the juice.